Hello everyone, my name is Fitsum Teshome. I'm a PhD student at the University of Florida in Department of Agricultural and Biological Engineering. I'm working with Dr. Hymanot Bible in the Water Resources Lab at UF-IFS Tropical Research and Education Center. I joined Tropical Research and Education Center in October 2019 as a visiting scholar. Currently, I'm a second-year PhD student working on my research project, which focuses on evapotranspiration modeling. In this research project, I mainly look for effective water resource management techniques that can help growers to satisfy their water needs. Specifically, my research project aims to evaluate the performance of different artificial intelligence algorithms for evapotranspiration modeling using ground and drone-based sensors. In addition to that, we are also going to evaluate the applicability of ground and drone-based infrared imaging for canopy temperature-based evapotranspiration modeling. So in this project, we have two vegetables or two crops. Those are the green beans and sweet corn. Every plot has many sensors such as aridity sensor, soil moisture sensor. In addition to that, we have also the lysimeter. So the whole project is based on irrigation treatments. So as you see from that, that's a linear move sprinkler system which is equipped with variable rate irrigation. So with that machine, we can apply different amount of water at different plots. In this project, for example, we have 25, 50, 75, and 100% irrigation treatments. So this is a ground-based infrared sensor. So as I have told you before, we are going to evaluate the applicability of ground-based and UAV-based or drone-based infrared sensors for canopy temperature-based evapotranspiration modeling. So as you see from here, we have a ground-based infrared sensor. So this sensor is pointing to the plants, so it's measuring the canopy temperature of the plants. In addition to this sensor, we have also drone. We have a thermal camera on the drone, so we fly every day and we capture the canopy temperature of the plants. So on this field, we have soil moisture sensors too. So this is the data logger for the soil moisture sensor. Because why we need a soil moisture sensor, we are going to apply different irrigation treatments. For example, we have 25, 50, 75, and 100% irrigation treatments. So in order to capture how much water is storing in the soil, we have to use the soil moisture sensor. So these are the soil moisture sensors we have used. As you see from here, different soil moisture sensors are going to different parts of the field. In addition to the ground-based aridity sensor and the soil moisture sensors, we have also a lysimeter. This lysimeter measures the amount of deep percolation. We have a container inside, so when there is irrigation or rain, the amount of water which is deep percolated is collected by this lysimeter. Then after every irrigation and rain events, we come here and pump out the amount of water which is collected in the container or in the lysimeter, so that we can calculate the evapotranspiration using water balance method. So this is our data logger for the aridity sensors. So this data logger has a pen drive. So when we are done with collecting the aridity data, we can come here and remove the USB and download our data. So this data logger and the aridity sensors, they work with a solar panel, so we don't need any energy source. We can use the solar panel as an energy source. In this project, as I have told you before, we use water balance approach to calculate or estimate the evapotranspiration. For that, we need weather parameters, and this is our weather station, which is collecting the weather parameters. So actually, in addition to that, we have also found weather station near to our project, but in order to be more accurate, we have our own weather station here. The monitoring of soil water condition is very important to help the irrigation manager make the best decisions when it comes to managing irrigation. Irrigation scheduling can play a significant role in optimizing crop yields and the water and the energy use efficiency. Effective water resources management techniques can help agricultural producers meet their water needs.